Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 21st of November. Putin sees a great chance of OPEC deal. On Sunday, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that he sees no obstacles to OPEC reaching an agreement later this month and that the likelihood is strong. After initial negotiations aimed at freezing production failed in April, a preliminary deal was reached in Algiers in September, which ended a prolonged period of unsuccessful discussions. Even though the deal for an output cut is yet to be finalized, Putin said that main contradictions within OPEC, if not yet eliminated, they can be eliminated. WTI opened with a gap up and drifted higher, but with no clear details of how the cuts, if any, will be shared and up to what levels. I would be cautious on larger advances. I prefer to wait for the meeting to take place, and I would be more confident on WTI's forthcoming direction after the specifics of the potential agreement become clear. As for today, in a very light calendar session, market participants will be focused on ECB's President Draghi's speech before the European Parliament. President Draghi said recently that the profitability of European banks, weak inflation, and the recovery's dependence on accommodating monetary policy are the three immediate risks facing the Eurozone. He could reiterate those comments, which are unlikely to cause a sharp reversal of a euro's slide against the dollar, in our view. Another point of attention could be some questions about how the Trump presidency may affect the Eurozone. As for the rest of the week, we have no major events scheduled on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we get preliminary manufacturing and services PMI data for November from several European countries and the Eurozone as a whole. Most of these indices are expected to rise, which would mark the third consecutive month of improvement in the bloc's composite PMI. We believe that this will be encouraging news for the ECB and perhaps a sign that the bank's previous easing measures have begun making their way into the real economy. In the US, the main event is likely to be the release of the FOMC minutes from the November policy meeting, where the committee signaled that the case for a rate hike has continued to strengthen. As for the US indicators, we get durable goods orders for October. On Thursday, we get Germany's IFO survey for November. The forecast is for the expectations index to have risen, while the current conditions figure is expected to have ticked down. The forecasts are supported by the ZEW survey for the month, where the expectations index also rose while current conditions declined. Markets will remain closed in the US in celebration of Thanksgiving Day. On Friday, we get Japan's CPI data for October. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.